Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it. Let me start off by saying don't get shaken out. Do not be fearful, guys. If you are fearful, let me reassure you that I believe we are going to bounce from here, and we definitely got more upside than downside. And I'll show you guys a good article that talks about that. But first, since I got the crypto bubbles up, let's see what the biggest gainers are for the day. Look at Brent, 18.6% on the day. Everything was just down, like 12 hours ago, but everything's already bouncing. Looks like the correction or crash didn't last that long. I mean, it'll probably chop, this whole week and next couple of weeks, maybe even the whole month. It'll just chop between, Bitcoin at least will chop between like 49,000 to 60,000. We'll probably still go sideways for another week to a month. But definitely, guys, I believe we have more upside than downside. And see what another big gainer for the day is. Look at Helium Mobile, 19.1%, AKT 31.7%, AVAX, one of the channel's favorites, 8.9%, Render 10.3%. Yeah, everything's up on the up and up, guys. Well, let's get right into the article, guys. Bitcoin decline is similar to the start of the 2016 bull run by Peter Brandt. Bitcoin's decline since the April 2024 halving is starting to look similar to market movements ahead of the 2016 bull run, according to veteran trader Peter Brandt. In a post on X on August 5th, the analyst said that the Bitcoin decline since the halving is now similar to that of the 2017 halving bull market cycle. Brandt compared the depth of the market correction since the halving dates, noting they were very similar. In 2016, the Bitcoin halving was on July 9th, and the asset price on that day was $650. Wow, guys, imagine that. Wish I would have bought in at $650 Bitcoin. I wasn't around then, but I'm glad I'm around now. The markets retreated during the cycle to a subsequent low of $474 in a 27% post-halving correction within a month before rocketing to a cycle high of $20,000 in December 2017. You guys hear that, guys? So basically, the halving was on July 9th and it was 650, and it corrected 27%, $474. But then a year later, it was like $20,000, guys. So I mean, that's a big green God candle. So that's what I think we have in the coming year to come. We have a massive upside for Bitcoin and the crypto currency market in general. Okay, let's continue. Similarly, the recent Bitcoin slump below 50,000 now represents a 26% decline from the post-halving price of 64,962. On August 5th, Bitcoin prices dumped double figures in a fall to 49,221, according to CoinGecko. It has lost 20% since tapping 70,000 in late July, but has already shown signs of recovery, reclaiming 56,000 during early trading on Asia in August 6th. So there you have it, guys. I mean, we definitely have historical data to prove that this is just a big shakeout, guys. Do not be shaken out by the market makers. That's what they're trying to do. They're just trying to shake out all the weak hands, so all the rich people, all the whales come in and buy everything up really cheap, and they make millions. So let's invest our pennies where they invest their millions. Let's do what they do. That's what I'm doing. I'm not a millionaire, but I have a few dollars, not much, but every little bit helps. So I'm investing everything I got in this bull run cycle. So let's follow what the whales do. Let's invest right now during the crashes when everything's red, when there's blood on the street, like they say, and we'll sell when there's a lot of greed in the market, when everything's at a higher price. somewhere, in either March, April 2025. But I believe the bull run could last up to like November, maybe October, November of 2025. So there you have it, guys. How bullish is that? Another bullish news is that the U.S. Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs hit a $6 billion volume, right now during this market crash or correction. So there you have it, guys. What does that tell you? BlackRock and Fidelity and all those ETF companies are definitely buying right now. While all the retail are selling and all the fearful investors are selling, the big whales are buying. $6 billion in volume, guys, on the ETFs. That includes Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF together. So don't be shaken out, guys. That's my main message for this video. Do not be shaken out. Now let's go over the Bitcoin chart real quick. Okay. And let's see. Right now we got Bitcoin at 55,676 as we speak. And my Wi-Fi is really slow, guys. I apologize for that. But just give it a second. It's loading. Yep, right now we're at $55,781. Let's see what the big numbers say right now when it comes out. Wow, this Wi-Fi is really slow. Okay, but yeah, right around 55,771 is where we're at, guys. The big numbers say 55,774 and 70 cents. So I mean, we were just at 49,000 just like like 12 to 16 hours ago. So I mean, it's definitely looking like a V-shaped recovery. You see this V-shaped recovery right here? Boom. There you go, guys. So definitely don't be shaken out, guys. Let me see. Let's go to Ethereum, see what it's looking like. Let's go to CoinMarketCap better. That we don't have to be loading it. Ethereum right now we got it at 2502. And I don't know if you guys saw my earlier video, but definitely guys, told you that was a great buy. Even though it did dip 33%, it was about around 2,900 and it dipped all the way to 2,000. I mean, that's a steal for Ethereum. So definitely, if you guys saw my earlier video, I recommended you guys to buy it because I mean, it's Ethereum with the Ethereum ETFs. Like I said on that earlier video, I mean, you couldn't go wrong either for a long-term hold or a short-term trade. I believe when I made the video it was at right around 2,300. So I mean, you'd be up 200 points on the Ethereum right now. Solana, another channel's favorites, $138. I believe it was about 121 when I made the video and recommended it to you guys for a short-term trade. You guys would have made some money already. Dogecoin, another channel favorite, is at 0.98 cents. I believe it was at 0.86 when I made the last video. Let you guys know that it was a great buy. And we got Avalanche, still a pretty low price, guys. I definitely recommend Avalanche. You definitely if you don't have any Avalanche, I mean, I would definitely recommend you buying some and holding it, because I believe it could at least 15x to 20x on this bull run cycle. But again, guys, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy any coin or sell any coin because I say so. You guys do your own research and definitely don't invest any money you are not willing to lose. Okay, now let me pull up the AVAX chart here. See, let me pull up the 1-day chart, see what we're looking like. But I mean, I am very bullish on AVAX, guys. I mean, like I said before, it's an online it's a blockchain that's focused on gaming. I believe it's the #1 gaming blockchain right now. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Yep, see right now we're at 2047 and it went as low as 19. No, I saw it as low as like $17. So definitely, it's only gone up like 10-20%. But do not sleep on AVAX, guys. It's Solana's little brother, and we've all seen what Solana's done already. So definitely, guys, very, very bullish on AVAX. I mean, JP Morgan has his Onyx coin, private blockchain on it, and it's got a bunch of other use cases that AVAX does too. They have a lot of meme coins. They have a lot of liquidity. So I definitely think it's going to be one of the biggest gainers in this bull run cycle. Now another coin that I recommended to you guys before was XCN on the last video, or one of the second to last videos we made, and it's already gone up. I believe the low for just like 16 hours or 12 hours ago was like 001010, and I believe it's already at 00123 right now. So you'd definitely be up right now if you would invested into XCN when I made my last video, or if you were able to catch the dip right around the low 1010. Okay, and I don't know why, but have you noticed that XCN, the bars come up like this on the chart? That's kind of weird, I think, but it's cool. Yep, the current price is 00122, and the low was just about 12 to 16 hours ago was 0010. So definitely you'd be up like 20% already if you would have bought in on the low, or a little less than 20% if you would have bought in when I told you guys. Okay, so that's definitely don't want to miss out on this. In case you didn't hear my last video, XCN is a Ethereum beta coin. They have a lot of bullish stuff in the woodwork. They have a new white paper that just came out August 1st. They're gonna make a layer 3 that's gonna be running on Base, and we know how bullish Base is. But don't worry, guys, they're not migrating or anything. They're just gonna create a layer 3 on Base. I mean, the XCN coin is still gonna be the main use. They're not gonna migrate XCN, and of course, it's a DeFi lending platform where you could borrow money, based on your crypto. You could stake your crypto or your NFTs in it. A lot of other lending projects, you could only either one or the other. You could either stake only, borrow against your crypto or borrow against your NFT. But what I like about XCN, Onyx Coin, not to be confused with JP Morgan's Onyx Coin, they do have the same name. What I like about XCN is that you could borrow against both NFTs and your crypto. And again, very really bullish on it. They got a stable coin coming up, so definitely don't want to miss out on XCN, guys. I mean, the bear market low was 007, so we're not even 100% off the lows, and the all-time high was 18 cents. So if it just got to the all-time high, let's just say about 18 to 20 cents, if you invest $1,200 right now, you can make that $1,200, $200,000 at the top if you sell right around 20 cents. So there you go, guys. That's a nice little gem in case you guys didn't know. Another cool little gem that I haven't mentioned in my other videos is SEI. Definitely like this one too. Although it's already moved up a lot from the bear market lows, it's still a very, very bullish coin. A lot of people like it. It's got a lot of volume. People are buying it up. I believe the bear market low was like 007, but right now we're at 23 cents. Of course, again, it's already mooned, but this coin is so bullish that I think it'll still moon, because I mean, it didn't get onto Coinbase and all the first rate exchanges until it was like 10 cents. So people just barely, most of the retail investors just started buying it up. And, this local current dip that we just had was only like 21 or 22 cents. So it hasn't bounced up that much like some other coins. It's only up 5% on the day. So, I mean, if you're looking for a short-term trade, I definitely recommend this SEI coin. I believe it'll probably go up another 10% here within a day or two if you want to do like a nice little short-term trade, make some quick money. But again, guys, be careful, because I do believe we are going to keep chopping for the next few days, the next week, couple weeks to a month. We'll probably keep chopping, before we do go into a parabolic bull run stage. But I don't think we'll go much lower I really don't think we'll go much lower than the current dip. And if we do, it'll probably just be like 5-10% max of the current lows. So I mean, there's definitely a lot more upside than downside right now. So definitely don't be shaken out. And if you have dry powder on the side, you definitely want to buy your favorite coin, guys. But basically, you could throw a dart right now on any coin and you'll make money. But I mean, there are some that'll make more gains than other. Like I mentioned, XCN, AVAX, another one of the channel favorites, Aerodrome. I think this one's a beast too. It's a base coin, and we all know base is hot right now. It did dip down to 46 cents the last 12 hours or 16 hours, but it's already at like a 64 cents already. So definitely a good buy, guys. I mean, it's got a lot of potential, guys. I mean, it's base's main DEX, and base does not have a token on it. So Aerodrome is kind of like the base token, but it's not a token. It's the Aerodrome main DEX for the base chain. Yep, we're at 64 cents right now. So definitely don't want to miss out on that. But again, it did dip down to like 46 cents on this local low that we just had. Within 24 hours ago. So definitely don't miss out on this one, guys. And another channel favorite, like I mentioned in my past video, is Jasmy Coins. Definitely don't want to miss out on Jasmy Coin. Another ETH beta, and we all know that most of the ETH betas are going to run here pretty soon because of the ETH ETF. So definitely don't want to miss out on that. Jasmy Coin did dip down to as low as 0.15, but right now we're already at 0.2078. So it's already up like 25% from the low. If you would have caught my video earlier, I mentioned it when it was at 0.17, and you could probably be up somewhere around like 15 to 20%. Made some good money there too. So definitely, guys, don't want to miss out on Jasmy. I mean, the CEO of Jasmy Coin is named Hara, which is an ex-CEO of the PlayStation, and he's got like over 20-30 years of experience running Sony PlayStation and other companies too. I believe he's been owning Jasmy. I think they call it Junction, but they've had this Jasmy Junction company for like I think since like 2006. Don't quote me on that, guys. I don't remember the exact date, but it's been over 10 years that they've been working on this project, and so I am very bullish on it. And if he does anything like he did as a CEO, as a PlayStation CEO, we should see big gains on the Jasmy coin. So definitely, this is a good one to invest in, guys. All right, guys. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. See what else. See what the top 20 are doing. It's always good to look at the top 20. See what it's looking like. Bitcoin right now, as we speak, is at 55,688. Ethereum is at 24.93. BNB 481. Solana 139. XRP Army 51 cents. At least we're above 51 cents again. Dogecoin 0.098. Toncoin $5.46. Cardano 32 cents. Tron 12 cents. Tron doesn't really move that much, if you guys know it. It's kind of like a stable coin. Avalanche $20.46. Shiba Inu. I mean, that was another good buy. I didn't mention it, but I mean, it did dip below like I think it got to like 4011. So I mean, it's already at 401375. So I mean, this is definitely a good buy if you're a Shiba Inu lover. Polkadot, another really stable coin type of coin. It's at $4.35. I mean, the all-time low from 2020 on the Polkadot is like 270 something. Here, let's look it up here on CoinMarketCap. I believe the all-time low is, let me scroll down, guys. And see, the current low is $3.65, and the all-time low is $2.69, guys. And that was in April 19, 2020. A lot of people are bullish on Polkadot. They're saying this is the bull run for Polkadot because it really hasn't done anything. And supposedly the volume has been picking up Polkadot. So if you like Polkadot, it wouldn't be a bad investment. The market cap's kind of high for my taste. I kind of like the low caps. I mean, besides like favorites like Solana, Avalanche, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. But I mean, if Polkadot's one of your favorites, I mean, I would definitely invest in it. I mean, I like Polkadot too, but I mean, I can't invest in all of them, guys. I mean, I wish I could. I wish I was like a millionaire already. I'd put like, like $20,000 on all the top 100 coins, and for sure I would make money. Because some are going to run more than others. We just don't know which ones are. But that's my plan. Make some good money this bull run, and then I'll have a lot more capital to work with. I'll be more seasoned, and I'll be able to trade and make more money on the next bull run cycle. So definitely don't miss out on Polkadot if you're bullish on Polkadot, guys. And again, I am bullish on Polkadot. I'm bullish on all of crypto. Okay, like I said before, I'm in the crypto army. Let's go to the crypto bubble, see what it's looking, guys. Everything's still green. Everything's green for the day. And if you like your meme coins, I mean, Brett, Turbo. I don't see Turbo up here as a big gainer, but I mean, definitely. Let's look it up and see what it's looking like right now. Oops. Turbo. I'll give you 1 second, guys. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Just have to turn on the light because I couldn't see the keyboard. Okay, Turbo. Okay, let's see what it's looking like. Turbo. 0.00396. That's a steal, guys. I mean, it has run up a lot already. It's already like 10, 15x from the all-time lows, but I mean, it's got a lot of potential. People really like it, so I think it could at least get to a penny. So I mean, you probably still got a good 50x from here, guys. So if you like Turbo, that's a steal, man. 003. Okay. See what else we got here. We got Mew at 27%. We got a lot of these meme coins are up. We got Dog at 23%. But anyways, guys, just wanted to inform you guys that everything's looking good. We're definitely bouncing back. Do not be shaken out, and don't let the market makers take your money, guys. Hold or short-term trades, it's up to you, but definitely keep faith, and I'm sure the parabolic bull run will start pretty soon. I'm thinking somewhere if not September, probably October for sure. We'll start going up higher and higher. September is usually a bearish month for crypto, but I don't know. Things have been a little bit different this year, so they might just switch it around on us. Instead of September being bearish this year, it might be actually bullish. But if not September, for sure October, I believe we're going to start going parabolic, or at least making a good move to the upside. Alright, guys, I brought you guys the current news and rumors for today. This is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.